Hey guys, what's up? My name is Serge, and today I'm going to show you how you can add cool handwritten titles and even mark up your video like this. Now, to do this, you're going to need an iPad, an Apple Pencil, and a drawing app. Personally, I use Procreate, but there's quite a few other options out there for this. A lot of them are even free. First, let's take a look at how to add a simple handwritten title without any animation. And this is really simple. Open your drawing app on your iPad and make a new canvas. Select your brush type and color and disable the background to make it transparent. Use your Apple Pencil, or if you don't have on your finger, to write out your title. Share this canvas as a PNG file and airdrop it to your Mac. Import this file into Final Cut Pro, add it above your timeline, and use the transform tool to resize and reposition your text. In just a few easy steps, you have this cool, custom handwritten title, nice and easy. Next, let's make another one, but this time animated on, so it looks like it's being written on screen. Make another new canvas, and this time, set your background to black. Select your brush type, and make sure the color of this brush is set to white. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPad screen to open up Control Center and start a screen recording. Take your time and carefully write out your title. You have to write out your entire title in one step, so if you make a mistake or don't like what it looks like, undo your steps and start over. Once done, let it sit for a second or two and stop your screen recording. Go to your Photos app and airdrop the screen recording file to your Mac. Import this into Final Cut Pro. Skim your clip in the media browser, and with your skimmer at the start of the animation, press I to set the end point. Skim to the end of the animation and press O to set the out point. Add this clip above your timeline. First thing we need to do is crop off the app controls around the edges. Set your playhead where your title is finished and use the crop tool to crop off the edges. To remove the black background, select your title clip, head up to the video inspector, and change the blend mode to screen. Next, we need to retime our clip to animate it on faster. Move your skimmer to the frame where your title is complete, and press Shift B on your keyboard to blade the speed of your clip. Open the speed drop-down menu over the first segment, and speed up the first part of your clip. For my example, I'll speed it up by 4 times. Use the retime handle at the end of your second segment to slow this part down and make the text stay on screen longer. Use the transform tool to resize and reposition your clip. If you want to change the color of your text, go to the Titles and Generators browser and find the custom generator. Add this generator under your text clip and change the color of it to what you want your text color to be. Select your top text clip and make it into a compound clip. Change the blend mode of this compound clip to Stencil Luma to change your text color. To remove the black background, command-click your text clip and your generator clip and combine these two into a compound clip with Option G. This reveals your bottom clip with a cool write-on text title. The last thing we'll take a look at today is marking up your video, where you actually need to see the video clip on your iPad for reference. Before we take a look at that, let me just take a few seconds and tell you about the sponsor of today's video, Envato Elements. Envato Elements is this huge library of visual and audio assets you can use to make better videos. Whether you make videos for a living or it's just a hobby, Envato Elements has something to help you improve your edit. They have stock video, royalty-free music and sound effects, video templates, graphic templates, fonts, and so much more. And the best part is you don't have to purchase each item individually. Everything Envato Elements has to offer is included for one low monthly price. You get unlimited downloads, and as long as you publish your video while you have an active subscription, all the assets you used in that video are licensed for the life of that video, even if you cancel your subscription. Trust me, this is one subscription that's worth every penny. Try it out, you won't regret it. Now, back to Final Cut Pro. Select your video clip you want to mark up, and place your playhead on the frame you want to use for reference. Press Command 5 to open the effects browser, and from the color category, select the Colorize effect. Add this effect to your video clip. In the inspector window, remap your blacks to a darker shade of green, and remap your whites to a lighter shade. Turn the intensity all the way up to 100%. hit the share button, and export your reference frame as a still image. You can now go ahead and delete the colorize effect from your clip. AirDrop your exported image to your iPad and open it in Procreate or whatever app you're using. Start a screen recording, mark up your clip, and send it back to your Mac. Import this clip into Final Cut Pro. Add your Markup clip above your timeline, turn down the opacity so you can see the clip under it, and use the transform tool to match the framing of your original clip. Bring the opacity back up to 100%, and use the crop tool to crop off any controls from your app that are still visible. We can now use the keyer tool to remove the green background in your top clip. Add it to your clip, switch to matte view, and refine your keyer by sampling any area that isn't completely black. Switch back to composite view, and if necessary, retime your clip to speed up your animation. I really wish there was an easier way to mark up your video, but this is the best way I know how it's done. If you have a better way, I'd love to hear about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back here next week.